Ever wondered what that steady thump in your chest is all about? That's your heart. A powerhouse muscle working 24/7 to keep you alive. Think of it like a super smart pump. No bigger than your fist, but stronger than you can imagine. Today, we're going to take a simple journey inside this incredible organ and figure out exactly how it works. No complicated jargon, just a straightforward look at the engine that drives us all. So, let's start with the basics. Your heart has one main job: to pump blood all around your body. This blood is like a delivery service. It carries all the good stuff, like oxygen and nutrients, to every single part of you, from the tip of your brain to the ends of your toes. At the same time, it picks up the trash, like carbon dioxide, that your body doesn't need. It's a continuous, life-sustaining loop. To do this, the heart is divided into four main sections or chambers. Imagine a house with two floors, and each floor has two rooms. The top two rooms are called the atria, and the bottom two are the ventricles. We have a right atrium and a left atrium on top, and a right ventricle and a left ventricle on the bottom. The right side and the left side of the heart are separated by a thick wall of muscle called the septum. This wall is super important because it keeps the two sides from mixing their blood. Why is that separation so crucial? Because each side handles a different type of blood. The right side of your heart deals with deoxygenated blood. This is the used blood that is just returned from its tour around your body and is low on oxygen. It enters the right atrium first. Think of this as the receiving room. From the right atrium, the blood passes through a one-way door, a valve, down into the right ventricle. The right ventricle is the power chamber on this side. When it contracts, it gives the blood a powerful push, sending it straight to your lungs. In the lungs, something magical happens. The blood props off its carbon dioxide for you to breathe out and picks up a fresh supply of oxygen that you've just breathed in. It's like a quick pit stop to refuel. Now we have fresh, oxygen-rich blood, and it's ready for its big journey. This newly oxygenated blood travels from the lungs to the left side of the heart, entering the left atrium. Just like on the right side, the left atrium is another receiving room. From here, the blood flows through another valve into the final chamber, the mighty left ventricle. The left ventricle is the strongest part of your heart. It has to be, because its job is to pump that oxygen-rich blood to your entire body. When the left ventricle squeezes, it sends blood surging through the body's main artery, the aorta. From the aorta, the blood travels through a massive network of smaller arteries and vessels to reach every organ, muscle, and cell. And what about that iconic lubbed-up sound? That's the sound of the heart's valves closing. The lub is the sound of the valves between the atria and ventricles closing, and the dub is the sound of the valves leading out of the ventricles closing. These valves are like perfect, one-way gates, ensuring blood only flows in one direction. They open to let blood pass through and snap shut to prevent it from flowing backward. This entire process, from blood entering the right atrium to being pumped out of the left ventricle, is called the cardiac cycle, and it happens over and over again, about 60 to 100 times every minute when you're resting. That's more than 100,000 times a day. Your heart doesn't get a vacation. It's constantly working to keep you going. This incredible rhythm is all controlled by the heart's own electrical system. There's a special group of cells called the sinoatrial node, or the SA node, which acts as the heart's natural pacemaker. It sends out electrical signals that tell the heart muscles when to contract. It's a perfectly coordinated dance of electricity and muscle power. So, in a nutshell, used blood comes into the right side, gets sent to the lungs for oxygen. Then the fresh blood comes into the left side and gets pumped out to the whole body. It's a simple but brilliantly effective system. This amazing muscle keeps everything running smoothly, delivering life-giving oxygen and nutrients with every single beat. So next time you feel your pulse, take a moment to appreciate the incredible work your heart is doing for you. Thanks for joining me on this tour of the human heart.